Hey guys, welcome back to Tones Animatronics and more. First thing I want to say, sorry for not making a real video in like almost a month. I just been busy with like Regents exams, finals, added community drama. Added community drama, by the way, nothing to do with the Jemmy community. Anyway, this video is just basically my opinions on the new lineup overall. Not gonna lie, before I even say anything about anything specific, it sucks. It's horrible. It might be the worst year yet. I thought last year was the worst year yet, but wow, this year sucks. But anyway, also two more things I gotta say. Convulsing Nurse is a baddie, and Wacky Charlie is a good ship. But anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so the main topic of the video obviously is Crackles, and that's actually the only reason I'm making this video, but I'm just gonna make it about most of the lineup. But anyway, people I made a post earlier saying basically how the prototype was way better, and I still have the same opinion, by the way. I think he's 100% way better. A lot of people don't agree, I guess. They say it's the same thing. But let's just look here. Overall, the prototype looks way better. Also, another thing I gotta say about Crackles, I like the face before it opens a lot. I love it. I think we should make more clowns waving Wally style. I like that type of prop a lot. Yeah, I feel like if he was just a prop like that without the opening, he would be amazing. I would have bought it instantly. So, yeah, Spirit should definitely make more of those clowns. I'm pretty sure a lot of other people would buy it too. Now I'm just going to show the prototype and then the release video, so yeah.
I'm so happy you're here! I'm so excited, I could burst! Surprise! Now it's time for the real show!
I mean, I guess they're kind of the same, I guess. I'm really just not a big fan of how the inside face looks. I feel like the outside face looks better on the prototype too. Just saying. Also, his price, I'm not gonna lie, his price is not bad at all. If he came out last year, it would have been $299, I'm pretty sure. Last year was horrible prices. This year, the prices are actually great besides Pumpkin Punisher. And Pumpkin Punisher is absolutely horrible. Alright, so before I go on my rant about that guy, I'm just gonna say, I might change my opinion on Crackles when I see him in the store, to be honest. I'm not sure yet. I might change my opinion on him in the store. I could see how he could be cool. I just gotta see him in real life. Because a lot of props I hate on when I see their online video and I see them in the store and say, wow, this shit's amazing. So yeah, I guess we'll find out. So yeah, back to hating on Pumpkin Punisher. A lot of people like it, I think. I think it's one of the worst ever, maybe. Him and Harvey Carvey are probably some of the worst props ever, and I'm not just trying to hate. You guys are probably going to comment something like, oh, you just want a bunch of clowns. No, because I love Jeremy Jones. I think he's amazing. But him and Pumpkin Punisher and Harvey Carvey are horrible props. Pumpkin Punisher deadass looks AI. I'm pretty sure stock photos of him are AI. Yeah, so it so obviously is made with AI. You guys cannot tell me it's not made with AI. It so obviously is. And I'm not saying this as I'm an anti-AI liberal. No, that's not me. You guys know I make AI posts all the time. And I'm not against Spirit using AI for concepts either. I think that's pretty cool and advanced too. But if you're gonna make props that look like they came right out of ChatGPT, N1 350, I think that's just stupid, man. Him, there's another prop you could tell it's AI, obviously, the Nightcrawler clown. It's obviously made with AI. I've seen AI clowns that look exactly the same from ChatGPT. So yeah, you could just obviously tell. I do like him a little bit. I'll talk about him in the next video that just maybe I'll make if this video does pretty good and gets 200 views. Just maybe I'll make that video. Just maybe it'll be about how Two-Face Teddy is better than the whole lineup. Just maybe, though. But anyway, Yeah, sorry for content farming. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna show his video and the prototype video now. So yeah, see you guys. Obviously, you can see that the prototype is a little cooler. Personally, like I said, I don't like both. Actually, did I say that? I don't know, but I do not like both. I think thought he was a stupid looking thing since December, but made him look even worse in the release. The released one, they made him look so much worse. The stock video, I mean the factory video or whatever, was alright. I still wouldn't. It's not something I'd get, but like the released one is just so horrible. I can't believe people actually still like it. So yeah, I'm kind of just being repetitive now. So I'm gonna.
Anyway, so prototype is a little cooler.
Now, like I said, I'm gonna end the video now because I'm getting a little too repetitive. Oh, the prototype's better. Oh, it sucks. It sucks. It sucks. Like no one wants to hear that realistically. Unless you just want to hear me talk, I could understand that. But anyway, yeah. So basically, Crackles is buns, and Pumpkin Punisher sucks ass. Same with Harvey Cars. So yeah, wait. You guys can't wait for part two. I know you can't wait for part two. But anyway, yeah, that's my opinion on these 3 or 4 props I talked about. And shout out to Snowy's animatronics. He's just the best person ever. I love Snowy. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, bro.